I'm going to save you quite a bit of time and money and help you piece together whether or not prop firm challenges are actually for you. Okay, they're really not for everyone, and it might include you. So we're going to figure out which side that you're on real quick. All right. I've passed prop firm challenges. I passed my first one, in fact, in under 2 weeks with a 100% win rate, and I've watched hundreds of people try and fail. Some of them actually do thrive there, and I want you to be one of those people that do thrive under prop firm challenges. Okay. Most really should not be there yet, though. So by the end of this, you'll know exactly where you stand. So I'm going to start out with who they are definitely not for, okay? If you're a developing trader, you shouldn't be touching or even considering prop firm challenges yet, okay? So if you change strategies weekly or even monthly, if you're trying to constantly adjust your risk and trades, if you're doing emotional trading after losses, you're probably in this category, okay? If you think or feel like you need motivation just to follow rules, you have a little bit of time to go before you become a professional long-term trader, okay? So I see the same exact pattern almost every single time with people that I've mentored, okay? You have the same types of traders. You have new challenges though, right? Okay? But there's always the same max daily loss. Same frustrations, okay? So if you're still experimenting, you're not ready for prop firms, okay? And it's not an insult at all. I want you to be in that category, okay? It's a lot more about timing. So here is a part where I think a lot of people kind of misunderstand, is that they try and test emotional stability, or prop firms can measure your emotional stability, all right? So you have tight drawdown limits. You have profit targets that you have to hit. There is no room for making trades off of your ego. You can't be doing revenge entries. You're going to be pushing yourself, you're going to be digging yourself into a pit, and then the pit is an advanced form of gambling, all right? I had someone who talked to me recently, and he's trying his first challenge attempt, and he traded it as if it was his own personal account, and that's why it failed. And, there's a long list of rules that you guys got to read, but if you don't read them, then you're kind of screwing yourself over. So skill itself didn't actually fail. Stability did, okay? So this is who they're not for. Who is it potentially built for, right? So therefore, boring, disciplined traders. And that's a weird thing to think about anyways, but let me explain a little bit, all right? So you're going to have a session, and you're going to have the same exact setup for every session. Same risk. Just if you're trying to pick which asset to trade, just pick one, literally. You shouldn't be trading more than 2 assets maximum on swing scalping and intraday trades, okay? You can get away if you're doing swing trading on a handful of assets because you have to wait for the positions to set themselves up, all right? But that's a different story altogether. But if you want to get into that and learn how to be a better trader, I have a free email newsletter. You can check it out in the comment section down below. It's going to help you not only be a better trader, but it's going to help you pass prop firm challenges so that you can get payouts. And then I put in a free trade setup every single week. You ain't got nothing to lose, so go ahead and check it out, all right? But the question is, can you end your day in red without trying to fix it? Can you get to the market and sit there and look for something, and if something doesn't appear, can you get up and walk away? That's a lot harder to just end your day in like a grade, like without taking any trades at all, okay? So this is the part where I think it kind of clicks for a lot of people that might be in this category, all right? The real filter and figuring out whether you're ready for this is ask yourself this before you attempt your next challenge. Have you followed your rules for 30 days straight? Have you respected your daily loss limits? Do you size your positions consistently every single time? Do you need excitement in order to trade? I really hope that you don't, all right? Failing itself doesn't mean that you are incapable. It means premature as a trader, all right? Even in business, if you want to be successful at business, make 5 or 10 businesses, and all you need is for one of them to pass, okay? So what should you do instead? Let's say that you're not ready for it, all right? I still want to help you, okay? So what to try before that? trade a small amount of personal capital. Just take $100, less even if that's what it takes, okay? And then don't track your P&L, okay? Track rule following only. Rules meant for prop firm challenges. Temporarily, I want you to ignore profit targets, okay? You just want to master your daily shutdown discipline. Consistency itself is going to create your confidence for you, so you don't really have to do any thinking. And the confidence is going to help you handle trades under pressure when you actually do get time to do actual prop firm challenges, okay? So are you building skill, or are you just trying to chase funded status, okay? But if I clarified anything for you, or if it resonates, please hit the like button. It's helped me a lot, and it shows that what I'm talking about actually does make sense. Excuse me. Yeah, if you actually want structure, I send out a free trade idea weekly. I hope you get paid or get payouts in prop firms anyways, and some market insights as well. It's free, and the link's down below, all right? But prop firms themselves, they shouldn't really be the goal in trading. They should be an augment or a supplementary tool that you can apply when you find out when trading actually works and how to make it work for you. Consistency is going to be the goal for you in trading. If you can't figure that out, or if you think trading is easy, then go to the gym or learn a language. That's how you're going to find out if trading is going to be for you. Just doing the same thing several times a week or every single day, and you'll find out when you're ready, and you won't wonder who you are by that point. You'll know who you are, and that's when it really clicks.